Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. It's simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. We're starting off with this beautiful tea light holder that I found at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and follow its natural pattern. I'll be using this imitation silver leaf that I pick up from Amazon. Here I'm using a dry paintbrush to brush away the excess silver leaf. I'll be using these gemstone stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these foam board cutouts from a previous project, as well as this bling ribbon from Dollar Tree. Here, I'm cutting the ribbon into individual strips. I'll be using this Dollar Tree candle holder. Now it's time to assemble everything. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back on Thursday at 6 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.